Hi everyone, it's Heidi, and I thought today would be fun to do an unboxing video, which I haven't done before. So I got my Young Living order today for the month, and I thought I would just show you. Sometimes it's fun to see what other people get, so I'll show you what that is. So we got paperwork and stuff. Alright, so the first thing is something called KidSense Mighty Pro. And this came out at convention this last year, and it's a prebiotic and a probiotic supplement, which I'm just now learning more about prebiotics, and I get this pretty much every month, and it's for me. It's not even for kids. I don't even use it for kids. Adults can use it too. And it just comes, it's a little packet like this, and you open it up and you put it in your mouth, and it tastes like a pixie stick, so good stuff. But the best thing is, it is very good for you. Probiotics are awesome for everyone to take. Prebiotics are also good. I just take this in the, at lunchtime before I eat, or before you eat for the day. And very good for your body, helps things get regulated well, gets the good bacteria going and flowing and all that kind of stuff. So that's the one thing. Next one is Super C, which this is an amazing supplement. We take it every single day, one tablet. Helps us to stay healthy, keeps things from coming, really builds up our immune system, and vitamin C. It's a very high quality vitamin C, and so that's kind of fun. Thieves toothpaste, who doesn't love Thieves toothpaste? This is, we were running out, so I had to get some more. I had given my mom one or she had ordered one, so I gave her the one we had, so I had to replenish that, so that's that one. Sometimes you even forget what you ordered, it wasn't that long ago, but you do forget. So, this one is more supplements. I guess I should have opened these up beforehand, huh? Oh yeah, and this is one of the free things I got. So Life 9 is another probiotic, and this is good. You can take it, everybody can just even take it at night. Just before you go to bed, take your probiotic. Really great to have on hand. Keep it refrigerated once you get it open. So that's one of the free things. So I'm going to put that on the side. And then, see if I can get this little booger out of here. Alright, and this is Omega Gize. My husband takes this every day. It's great for your heart. Great for, I think, like joints and stuff. Like, look it up, because I'm probably not allowed to say most of the stuff it's good for. Tons of good things. Very good to have the correct omega oils in your body, and you just take one, and it works really well. Then we have a few oils. I got Thieves. I like to get the little bottle of Thieves, because sometimes people will, if I know someone that's not feeling well, I will offer to let them buy one of my Thieves, and so I don't like having the big bottle, because it's kind of hard to keep those on hand. So these I like to have on hand in case I have people that need them or that run out of them and they come to me. So Thieves oil is great. This is another free one. Digize came free with my Central Rewards order this month. That's always a good one to have on hand for any kind of digestive stuff. And Citrus Fresh is also, I believe, another one of the free ones, 15 milliliter Citrus Fresh. My favorite essential oil blend to diffuse. And so that's another one to have fun to have for free. And then the last thing is, I've been using the Savvy Minerals foundation, and I was running out, so I got another one. And it's so fun because they give it to you in this really cute little box, and it has a little thing that goes over it. And so then you feel really special getting your makeup for the several months. This lasts me quite a long time, but I get the Warm too, I think. And great mineral makeup, very effective, good coverage. Doesn't get greasy or anything like that by the end of the day, and so I really like that. So that's my unboxing video for today, and hopefully you guys learned something maybe, or whatever. Maybe it's boring, but anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you next time.